Alright guys, before we get started, let me know down in the comments of unboxing you've done, and I'll gladly check it out. So stay tuned. Here we got the Isteady Pro Gimbal, 99 bucks on Amazon, made by Home. This is my first gimbal, so hopefully it's decent. Alright, let's take a look inside. Nice carrying case. Feel rugged. Some instructions. Alright, here she is. Pretty nice quality. You got your on and off button, your directions, different mode button. This, I believe, recenters it. Also comes with a little tripod. And here's the charger for it. It's a regular USB. Alright guys, let me know if you guys got one of these things. I'll get some footage of me using it once I get the hang of it. So smash that like button, comment, subscribe. I'd be glad to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.